Okay, our last example today, and this is exactly what the problems are going to look like. Just like this. It's going to say this first thing. Use relationship PV equals nRT. So they're giving you the formula. So what you need to know is what each of these variables represent. P is pressure, V is volume, T is temperature, R is this number, which by the way they're going to give you every single time, and N is the number of moles. Moles. Not gophers, but moles. Right. Moles is actually an atomic weight. That's what it is, but it sounds like the little animal with the star nose and everything. But anyway. Pressure, volume, number of moles, R, which is 0.0821 every time. It's not 0.821, 0.0821. I've seen people leave this zero off, get a wrong answer on an easy problem. So don't do that. T is temperature, R is still that number. Okay, so I already said that. So if we start reading this, if they give you this problem, you're looking for four things. There's five variables, you're looking for four things. One of them is R given to you. So the other three things that we're looking for, notice, find the number of moles. What don't we know?
Moles.
Moles. We don't know this, right? Which means we're going to have to know everything else. So the temperature is 274. The pressure is 1 atmosphere. The volume is 8 liters. R is 0.0821 and find N. So if I just substitute everything into this formula, P times V is equal to N times R times T. P times V equals N times R times T. Creates a pretty basic equation, right? Like Algebra 1 level, like third week of Algebra 1, I think we did. I mean, they weren't quite this ugly, but you know, the division, property, equality. So if I do 0.0821 times 274, that comes out to 22.4954. Equals 8. So this is 22.4954 times N equals 8. So to get N, I simply have to do 8 divided by 22.4954. Divided by 22.4954. That comes out to 0.3556 mole. If you want to be really technical about it, I put mole because it's not plural because it's less than 1, right? If it comes out to like 1.53, go with moles, all right? But I'm not going to count off for you not putting an S when you need one or putting an S when you don't. But 0.3556 mole would be the proper way to write the answer there. If it asks for temperature, pressure, or volume, I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% certain with this, but for this specific R, Kelvin, atmospheres, and liters would be the units of choice for this. So let's just default to those for now. If it's asked for pressure, it's going to be in atmospheres. Asked for temperature, it will be kelvins. If it asks for volume, it will be in liters. All right? But again, that's how the problem's going to look. They're going to give you the formula, they're going to give you R, and they're going to ask for one thing and give you everything else. So these are like basic, get 7 points on a test type problems.
I like these.
They show up just like that on the test too. Pretty straightforward. Don't leave the zero off the R value. That's the one thing I've seen people mess up on mostly.